HEELP tools. Great combination of power and safety. What's this? Oh no, a flat tire. Don't worry. I have what I need. This car repair toolkit makes changing a tire a breeze. It has everything I need to change the tire rapidly and safely. Place the warning sign facing oncoming traffic. Plug the electric power connector to the car cigarette lighter. Turn on. Connect jack to the power connector. Place the jack under a hard metal spot under the car. Press lift. Press up and watch the jack lift the car effortlessly. Press lift option back to O so the jack rests in the up position. Connect the impact wrench to the power connector. Choose the right sleeve for your car screws. Unscrew the tire in a crisscross manner, one screw opposite to the other. This will help free the tire easily. After loosening all the screws diagonally one after the other, gently tap the bottom part of the tire to free it. Swap the damaged tire with a new one. Screw the tire back in a crisscross manner with the wrench going in the opposite direction from earlier. Screw them diagonally. Make sure the tire is screwed tightly to the point where you can't screw it anymore. This is very important. This will prevent the tire from flying free off the car as you drive. A mistake many rookies make, putting their lives at risk. Disconnect and plug the power connector to the jack. Press down to lower it. Watch it lower the car. To lower the jack manually, loosen the safety valve on the jack with an Allen wrench. Watch it carefully lower the car safely. To inflate tires, reach for the hose on the side of the jack, twist it onto the tire valve, turn on and watch the magic happen. Press O when done. Tire changed. Great job. You did it.